Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to move your Outlook PST file. This is a really useful skill to have if you're looking to back up your emails, free up space on your main drive, or simply organize your data more efficiently. Before we dive in, if you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Now let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it's open, go ahead and log into your account. This step is important because it ensures all your emails are properly loaded before we start making any changes to the file locations. Give it a moment to fully load everything, especially if you have a large mailbox, as this will help prevent any errors during the process. Once your email has loaded completely, we're going to locate where your PST file is currently stored. To do this, navigate to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Click on the File tab to open up your file options. This is your gateway to all the back-end settings and configurations in Outlook. After clicking on File, your File menu will open up. Now look over to the right side of the screen and you'll see an option called Account Settings. Click on the Account Settings drop-down menu. This will present you with a few options, and from here you want to click on Account Settings again to open the full Account Settings window. This is where you can manage all aspects of your email accounts and their associated data files. Once the account settings window appears, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the Data Files tab. This tab is specifically designed to show you all the PST files associated with your email accounts. From the Data Files tab, look through the list for the email account that you wish to move the PST file for. Once you've found it, click on it to select it, then click on the button that says Open File Location. A File Explorer window will now appear, presenting you with the exact location where your PST files are currently stored. This is the folder where Outlook keeps all your email data. However, here's something really important you need to know before you proceed. You cannot move these files while Microsoft Outlook is still open. These PST files are actively being used by the application, which means they're locked and cannot be moved or modified while Outlook is running. So the next step is crucial. Close Microsoft Outlook completely. Make sure it's not just minimized, but fully closed. You can check your system tray to ensure it's not running in the background. Once you've confirmed that Outlook is completely closed, you can go back to that File Explorer window where your PST files are located. Now you're free to cut and move them to a different folder of your choice. Simply right-click on the PST file, select Cut, navigate to your desired destination folder, and paste it there. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Outlook PST file to a new location. Just remember that the next time you open Outlook, you may need to point it to the new location of your PST file through the account settings if it doesn't automatically detect it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.